This is Gary Rohmann, the Veterans Coach. I hope you're having an outstanding day. I have a veterans tip for you today, your transition plan. Section 1, understanding where you are now. Transitioning out of the military is a very challenging experience. Over 70% of veterans say it was more difficult than they expected. And quite frankly, I see that firsthand each and every week. For the last 8 years, I've conducted over 300 workshops with transition veterans throughout the country, and 5,000 have been in my classes. So I see it firsthand. It is more challenging than you anticipate. Your military life is structured. They have clear expectations, routines, making the transition to civilian life a little bit more challenging. And for many of you, the military was your first occupation. So after leaving the military, many veterans struggle to find a sense of purpose and belonging, leading to feelings of isolation and confusion about your identity. To have a better understanding of where you are now, I would suggest the following. 1, reflect. Reflect on your past. Why did you join the military in the first place? Examine your experiences while you've been in the military. So by reflecting your past experiences and the challenges that you've had, you can gain a deeper understanding of your identity and your purpose. This process can help you identify your strengths and weaknesses, help you identify your marketable skills, and help you to set achievable goals in the future. By being reflective, I would challenge you to be vulnerable and open as you gain clarity about your identity, about your purpose, the community that you're going to be living in, and to find new avenues for personal growth and professional growth. Reflect. Understand where you are now. And remember, you don't have to travel alone. This is Gary Rohmann, the Veterans Coach. Call me. My contact information is at the end of this video, and I look forward to hearing from you.